What's going on, guys? Headed back over to the shop. We got a lot of work to do on the Z. Hopefully we can go yank that motor out. Hop in the Silverado real quick. I guess I could do a review on this if you guys wanted to know what's all done to it. It's basically just a cam Silverado, but it sure do sound nice. So the plan for today's video, if all goes well, is to take out that motor, go take a look at the turbos and the turbo manifolds. I heard that it's kind of common for 350Z turbo manifolds to be cracking because all the heat. So I guess we'll take a look at those and repair those if needed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get some made. I might have a buddy that has the fabrication skills to be able to do that, but my manifolds honestly shouldn't be too bad. We only ran low boost like the whole entire time I had the car back in the day, and I mean, I'm sure it got hot, but we'll see how it is, and I guess we'll go from there. But let's go get this motor out, because I definitely need to send out those turbos to, I believe I'm sending them out to either Blausch, or if that's how you pronounce it, Blausch, or Force Performance, to go get them upgraded and ready for some higher boost and a whole lot of ponies. All right. Yeah, it's a little dark up in here. Hold up. Much better. You know what? I'm sorry for the shake cam. My hands are so shaky, it's bad. I'm gonna start holding them with two hands like these. So here we go. We got the Z and the Evo together. Looking broken. But we got the Evo manifold out. And nothing up in here. And then we got the freeze plugs back in. Make sure they're all actually seated fully, so we don't have that problem again. So since we have the manifold and the turbo out, I might, if I have time today, go wrap up the manifold in some heat wrap or exhaust wrap or whatever it's called, and coat the manifold and inspect the turbo to make sure it doesn't have any oil leaking through the seals or whatever I got to do. You know, since it's out, you might as well. So, and I want to clean up all that because that just looks janky. When I first put the motor in, like, it looks so nice and fresh. So, and then this just gotta go. It just gotta go. So with the motor situation, I've been thinking a whole lot. I've been doing a whole lot of research, hitting up a lot of people, and I might have my hands on a fully built long block that I found from a guy across seas. I'm not sure if he's in, like, I don't know, like pro drifting or anything, but he builds really high horsepower VQs, and I might get his spare motor. I'm not going to say anything yet until it happens. If it does happen, I'm not quite sure. It's a lot of money, to be honest with you. Probably looking around the same amount of money as I spent for this thing, which was a lot of money. So we'll see if I get that, and if it does, then cool. If not, yank this thing out and rebuild it, and get ready to make some power. So it looks like we still got some things to take apart. We already took apart the bell housing from, or the tranny from the motor. Looks like the trans mounts are off already. I'm not sure if I'm pulling out this whole entire thing, motor and transmission together, or if I'm gonna pull them separate. I guess we'll figure that out once we come across it, but
to your right.
The other one. Oh, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, we should have pulled the tranny and the engine out at the same time. Cause that ain't gonna budge. Lower the back. Or I guess you could take off that joint. Just do that. Okay. Well, I guess this, huh? Just drop the whole subframe.
Hey guys, so we're back. Change of plans. The wastegate was in the way of the transmission dropping out. So now we gotta hook the transmission back up to the motor and pull them out together. They gotta come up out of the engine bay instead of instead of just dropping the transmission out and pulling the motor separately. Gotta do it together. Yes sir. Brian's up there trying to get the transmission bolts on the top of the tranny, connect to the motor, get her back going so we can continue this here project.
Hey, I don't. Where are you?
Stand by, guys.
Where's John?
Alright, here we go, guys. Back at it. Got the car lowered down, hooking the chain up from two different points, front of the motor and the other points to the back of the tranny. Tranny bolt. It's down there. You can't really see it. It's kind of dark down there, but it's on there. Trust us.
I don't think this is long enough. Dang it! That ain't gonna work.
Five minutes later.
Oh my gosh, this is literally gonna take that.
It's going.
Okay, we're good.
We're good.
We good.
We're going in. She's hooked up. Make sure the ratchet's still on there. Oh, get some tension. Yes. She is ready for takeoff.
Psych, didn't take off the motor mounts yet.
Take off motor mounts. Gotcha.
Skip a step.
Skip a step. Got him.
I think that's it. We'll see. Got stuff in my eye. Back at it.
No, go down on your jack. You just lifted it up a little bit.
What? Hold on. I gotta let down the jack now. Running into a problem with the exhaust manifold, getting over the rack. I almost feel like it would have been better just to drop the whole subframe and just keep the motor on it like we did with the Evo. always got to do something the complicated way, but trying to clearance that, and then everything's out, but it's getting all caught up on there.
Watch this.
What's the evil?
Okay.
Spin tire. Yeah, that big one.
It's out.
Yes, sir.
Looking at these nasty turbos. That was so tight. I don't know. Probably some of you guys are going to ask why I'm not doing an LS or a 2J swap. But maybe I'll explain that in another. Well, I'll explain it right now. It's because I already got the Grady twin turbo kit. So why on earth would I just put that to waste? I can still keep the same harness and everything. But if this doesn't work, if this setup doesn't work with the other engine, I'm not sure if it'll be worth trying again. So we'll see if I'll swap it or not. But for now, we're going to try this.
What? Yeah, on one of the tranny bolts. Yeah, we gotta get a tire underneath.
Oh, that'd be a good thumbnail.
Whoa!
Home run. Both these are a pain. Good old bent pipe.
Look at that, Johnny.
No flow.
Mass no flow.
Forward.
Hooked up.
Here we are,
Middle.
ready to take the tranny off of the engine. Just getting the last little adjustments done. Gotta take the chain off the tranny bolt so we can take the tranny bolt off. Get the tranny off the motor.
Are we sure there's not bottom ones?
There's probably bottom ones.
Oh, I didn't see it. Woo, love my life.
Come, go, 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 go. Safe. And he's safe.
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Oh,
There's so
there she's going. Nope, she's going. She's coming.
Hold on.
Look.
You pull back the motor.
Oh,
Got it.
yep. Oh, yep.
Oh, the wastegate. You gotta pick up the wastegate.
Man, wastegate. Why you always gotta be in the way? Alright guys, got the bolts off for the wastegates. As you can see there,
I feel like I'm gonna pinch my
still a
fingers.
little tight
Hold on.
right here. Oh, right here. Ooh,
Oh, about
pinch beam.
Hold on. We should just be able to. I think. Where's the stick? Well, look, where the stick? Oh, come on.
Right there. Pull it straight out. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Boys and girls, we have ourselves a transmission and an engine. Wow.
Oh my goodness. And throw band, which is what's making that.
It's mint. Got it off.
Finally got the motor out, the turbo's off. Really not in bad condition as I thought. I mean, actually this is really disgusting all up in there, but the other turbo's pretty clean. Okay. So, we're not gonna disassemble those. We're actually just gonna take off the intercooler pipe and then send those into whoever wants to take them. And then finish off taking off all the wastegates and the turbo manifold. And start tearing apart the long block. That was a really tight kit. I read on a lot of forums that this was going to be a hard kit to take off and put back on, and I believe them 100% because that was a very tight kit. Looked like they tacked on actually all the bolts and put this disgusting sealer around it. So definitely didn't make it easy on us, but going back in, we're definitely gonna have to double think on how to make it more accessible to take apart. So I guess we'll go on from there. Can't forget, finished it all up, got the motor out, got the transmission out, got the turbo kit somewhat taken apart, got the turbos over there waiting for me to kind of disassemble them a little bit. I found a business that wants to take care of them. They're just trying to see the condition of the inside of them and all, so I'm going to probably take them apart just to make another video out of that. Engine bay is looking dirty and messy. We're probably going to pressure wash all this and maybe, I don't know, there's not too much to paint and everything, but I might clean it up a little bit. Obviously we got ourselves a mess, so that's probably what we're going to do and call it a day. So until next time, I don't know why this camera is not focusing. Until next time, I'm gonna go back to the Evo and figure out this turbo manifold situation. So hang tight guys, and we'll be back with more content.
Like and subscribe.
You already know.